Good morning, Mr. Ibarra.
Good morning, sir.
So you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed.
Hold up, pause right there. The judge just slammed the defendant with his Miranda rights. And that's no small detail. Anytime you're staring down the barrel of jail time and a $4,000 fine, those rights are your only shield. But watch how fast the script flips. From a weapons charge straight into gang ties and a shooting. This isn't some petty case anymore. It's a full-scale warning shot, a brutal reality check unfolding in real time.
On to you, sir.
Judge, this is a under 21 UCW. I can still read you the facts if you would like. Okay. On March 3rd, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a shooting. The officer found the defendant in a back alleyway with a gunshot wound to his leg. The defendant had a mesh backpack in his possession at the time and was able to see that there was a black handgun inside. The caliber of the handgun matched shell casings located on the ground next to the defendant. The defendant stated that he shot the gun in self-defense at 3 black males who shot at him. Those suspects fled the scene after officers' arrival. The defendant was transported to Ben Taub Hospital, where the defendant was being treated for the gunshot wound to his left femur. The defendant admitted to being in the 114th Street Bounty Hunters gang and is 18 years old.
Okay, so was it made that, did he shoot himself, or do we know that someone else shot?
We do not know. We know that the casings on scene match the caliber of the handgun that he had, but we don't know if he had shot himself and he stated he was being shot at by other people as well. So it's unclear.
This is the knockout punch. Judge Fleischer isn't just tossing the case. He's throwing down a wake-up call like a hammer. You don't often hear this kind of raw, unfiltered truth coming from the bench. The defendant just slipped past a legal bullet, but let's be real. He's still standing in the crosshairs of a real one. Second chances like this don't come wrapped in both mercy and a survival lesson. They're rare, brutal gifts.
So the only allegation is that he's underage, essentially. Okay. Mr. Ibarra, I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward in your case. You need to be very careful. You get but one life. God forbid something happens where you have a gun and you use it, and then you end up getting charged with something. You've gotten shot in the leg now. I mean, luckily it's not somewhere else. It could be life ending.
Sir.
When you hang with dogs or when you're bad places in the middle of the night, really, do something with your life. Get into school, graduate, get some knowledge.
Sir.
Take a seat.